Welcome to IT Park ITSP Technologies. In this video, I will discuss one important thing like about the methods. Okay, so now in Java, question is that in Java, how many types of methods are there? How many methods? You know, there in how many methods there in Java? How many or how many types? Right. There in Java. So tell me, anyone know about how many methods there in Java? Please tell me. Comment in the comments, please. If you don't know, just follow my instruction. Okay, I will. Hmm. In Java, we have two types of methods. What is the two? First one is the concrete method, and second one is the abstract method. And now, what is the concrete method? Concrete method is nothing fully implemented method. Okay. In same way, class is also called class concrete class, and which is class is the concrete class having the fully definitions. So ha having fully implementation like methods, variable, and other things are there in the classes, then called concrete class. Same here, method. Method is the concrete class having both thing is something declaration and implementation. Those method having declaration and implementation called concrete method. And second thing is the abstract method. Abstract method in the sense only having what is that? Only having declaration, not have implementation. You call abstract method. So now I want to tell two types of methods are there in Java. Two types. There are two types of methods. There are two types of methods. Now, first one is concrete. First one is concrete method. Second is abstract methods. These two methods are there in Java. So now first I will give a definition about what is concrete. Okay. So concrete method is nothing having no concrete method is a method. It will have both method implementation, method declaration, and method implementation. 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 This is about concrete method. Next is the abstract method. Like if you want to see, I will give like public example. Public void, suppose method one, so not a method like like add, passing the int a comma in b. That's it. Throws exception. Okay. Now here provide the implementation, like suppose here you want to return. I want to return in. So here you can write return a plus b. A plus b. That's it. This is called what is that? This is called concrete method. Okay. Now come here. Next point is abstract. What is the abstract method? Abstract method is having only declaration. Abstract method. Abstract method is a method. Abstract method is a method. It will have only. It will have only. What is that? Only method declaration. Method declaration. Now example. Example is example. Suppose public. Okay. Int add. Public int add a comma b. You cannot say this is the abstract method. If you declare inside the interface, then you can say this is the abstract method. If you declare as an abstract method, so you should use one keyword called abstract. Okay, abstract, abstract. That's it. Now, this is abstract method. This is about the. There are two types of method in Java. And now I want to tell you something like some differences I want to tell you. Two or three differences are there. Okay. Concrete method, concrete method, and abstract method. Okay. Now, first difference is abstract method is both having both. I said you not required to write here. Now, second point is abstract method to declare to declare to declare concrete method, read methods. No need to or use no need to use any special keyword, any special keyword. Okay, when you want to declare abstract method, so you need to use special keyword. Okay, but if you declare abstract method, then use abstract keyword. Then what is that? To declare abstract method, to declare abstract method. So we need what is that? We need to use a must use abstract keyword. Abstract keyword. Okay. Now one more difference is there. Concrete method Number two. Number second is concrete method. Concrete methods are allowed. Concrete methods are allowed allowed in classes where allowed in where classes. This is the important point. Allowed in classes only. Okay, not here and there. Only classes folder is allowed. Concrete method are allowed in classes and in abstract classes. Some other session, I will tell you what is the abstract classes. Okay, but here, number two, here, abstract method allow in abstract class and interfaces. Abstract method, abstract method, abstract method, abstract method are allow, allowed, allowed in abstract class and interface. Abstract class or interface. And two places are there, so abstract method allow. So now, third point is what is the concrete method will provide less variability. Concrete methods will provide less variability, less variability. Here, variability. Okay, instead of this. Concrete method, abstract method provide more variability. That abstract method provide more variability. This is the difference out there, and this is the method. So thank you for watching. If you want to get more videos like this, so please subscribe our channel. Here, iTrick Study Park, you will get it. We'll show you. And if you want this type of notes or interview type of questions, so please join our Instagram page. Page name is iTrick Study Park. Same name everywhere. Okay. iTrick. Search iTrick Study Park. You will get suggestion. Simple here. You can join with this channel. Okay. This type of video I am preparing on this video in this list. Oops, short way. I will tell I'm preparing all about oops related concept in the short way. Okay, like that. This is the one important interview question. Okay, how many methods in Java? Simple say two methods are there: concrete method and abstract method. So thank you for 1 minute. I will show you one thing or more. Instagram page. If you want, I will upload this note. I'm uploading this note. I will upload this note here on Instagram page. This page is there. Okay, here. Our daily updated. My team daily updates here. It's uploading some questions about that interview related and advanced question. You will get it and read this there if you want this. Okay. Otherwise, leave it. Thank you for watching. We will meet next week.